Hi everybody, this is Barbara. We have with me
Sylvia and
Shayla, and I don't know if you might see there's Chelsea on the couch as well, one of our cats. So today is our...
have Sheila, our little cat, and this is my dog.
Yes. So today is our first box opening of a snake. So let me give you a little rundown of our history with getting into snakes. So about a month ago, maybe a little more, Sylvia came to us and said, I want snakes. She did her research. She did a ton of YouTube watching, and she knew more about them than we did. So we did a little research ourselves, and we decided to get our first snake. We got Cornella. She's a corn snake. I believe she is a fire corn snake, they call her. We had her for about 3 days and learned that they are very good escape artists. She disappeared for about 2 weeks, and we found her. But in that meantime, we decided we were going to go and get another snake, maybe a little bigger, very docile too. We got our Priscilla. She is a super striped ball python. Then we found Cornella, and we, in the process, had also gotten our third snake, which we got Elvis, and he is a Candino ball python. And he is our male, and of course Priscilla is our female, and Cornella, as far as we know, is a female as well. So we're in quarantine, of course, like everybody else is. We decided we want another snake. So what's the best way to get a snake? Snakes by mail. So this is a snake that I have been wanting since we did our history of looking at the snakes and all of our background checking. This is a Pastel Piebald. So we're going to open this on camera, and we're going to see how pretty this guy is. This is also a male.
And I'm going to see, and I'm going to put in this new cage.
And we have a cage already all set up. It's already been getting all nice and warm and humid for him.
And I have a little safety and some living to play on and living hide in. Right, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
There's this heat pad. No, that's
Oh, it's nice and warm in there.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, let's get going.
Yep. And he is eating, it says rats, so which is fine for us.
Is it? No, I feel like frozen dog.
He is eating pre-killed rats. Pre-killed rats. Which all of our animals are on frozen thawed. All of our snakes are on frozen thawed. We will also get this one on frozen thawed. Elvis was our picky eater. He had to have live when we first got him. But we have gotten him on frozen thawed since then. And right now he is in complete blue. He is in the process of getting ready to do his first shed with us. And this guy is already ready to come out. So let's see.
I'm ready.
I'm going to try. He seems like he might be a little scared right now.
Yeah, because she was just stepped in the box.
So, and here we go. Here is our Pastel Piebald. I might have to get up close a little bit for you. Not sure how the focus will be, but he is very, very pretty. We're still working on a name. When we get a name, we'll let you know. As you can tell with our other two, we have a little bit of a history. One's Priscilla, one is Elvis.
Well, his package is really good.
And there you guys go. We're going to try to keep up some videos, maybe do some feeding videos, and, oh, he's ready to go. All right, everybody. Meet our new snake. We'll update you on a name, and we'll try to start doing more videos on our snakes since this one's our first one. Everything's a learning curve with us. Thank you. Everybody stay safe out there in quarantine.
Bye. Also follow my dad and me on Instagram. And my Instagram. SR Wazinski and Gone Coast to Jeep Club. Or also for them pictures. Or
We're going to start our own snake one.
yeah.
When we get that all set up, we'll send that out. We'll put it in the links. We'll put it in the video.
Description or in the video or in the iCard up above.
Yeah.
All right, and we'll add pictures of what our other snakes look like since we're not filming them right now. They're all in their hides. I know Elvis is getting ready to shed.
So we don't want to take
Cornella's buried. I don't want to pull her out. And Priscilla is also hiding right now. So don't want to disturb them right now. But we will. We'll add photos for you to see. All right, guys. There he is. He's a beauty. Bye.
Bye, guys.